Welcome, students. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Shall we start? Today, I would like to conduct a student seminar on the topic stress management. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event. Due to COVID, everybody is undergoing to stress because of loss of their near and dear, like family members, our relatives, friends, etc. We also missed our beloved principal, who is very kind hearted due to this COVID. Everyone experiencing stress due to this pandemic. Hence, I choose this topic for today's seminar stress management. I would like to start the program.
Okay, ma'am.
Our first participant is Arshia Anjum from first BA. She can unmute and deliver her speech. I am inviting Arshia Anjum from first BA to deliver her speech. Arshia,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Good evening, everyone. This is Emma Ashianjum from First BA HEP. I am very thankful to you, ma'am, for conducting this online seminar. Uh, let's start our seminar. Topic stress.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Nowadays,
Go ahead.
ma'am.
Go ahead. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Nowadays, a lots of people are facing with stress. But what is stress? We have to find out the meaning of stress. Stress is a feeling of our emotional or physical tension that can come from any event or thought which makes us anger or frustrated. Tension, sorry, stress is a ma'am. Can I, please give a again chance?
Can you speak both in English and Telugu, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
You can speak in Telugu also.
Ma'am, I will start from starting, ma'am. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension that can come from any event or a situation that which makes us anger or frustrated. Stress is our body's reactions toward a situation or challenge. We have to find out that we have to find out that we have stress from some symptoms. There are some physical and emotional symptoms to find out that we have stress, just like feeling headache, body pains, can't concentrate on something, having low confidence or low energy, just like nervous, which is I am having now, uh, and I can't concentrate on something, highly negative thinking, and also overthinking about something. So we can these are the main symptoms which we can identify easily. There are so many causes of stress. There are just like this pandemic situation. There are some personal causes are also there. Just like according to a students, their main cause of stress is exams. So many students are feeling stress about exams to attempt them and and to achieve great first ranks or best ranks. If you take a person who is doing a job as an example, his main causes of stress are financial problems, work pressure, and also family responsibilities. If you take a housewife as an example, her main causes of stress are work pressure, financial management, making coordination between family members, and also is to teach something best to her children, etc., etc. So, but now there is a common cause of stress for overall the world is COVID-19. So there are so many causes of stress just like this. So we have to overcome this. But how? By doing meditation regularly and doing exercises or yoga uh, to be healthy. If we are healthy, our thoughts become positive. A positive thinking can avoid stress. We have to watch some motivational speeches by great persons just like Abdul Kalam. We have to motivate ourselves. We have to listen peaceful music because a peaceful mind overcomes stress. So we have to uh, be peaceful and motivational. Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.
Yes, Arshia, peacefulness is the need of the hour from the next participant. I welcome the next participant, Sasi from MP. Unmute Sasi. Sasi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Sisusi. Christian P. Ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
What is stress? Stress can be defined as any types of change, which is physically, emotional, and physical strain. Stress is your body response to any things
Sasi,
that, ma'am.
start your video mode also. Along with
Okay.
audio, start your unmute your video. Yes, continue.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
What is stress? Stress can be defined as any type of change that shows physical, emotional, or physical stress. Stress is our body response of anything that requires acting action. Everyone expressions of stress to some degree the way you respond to stress. However, make being defines to your our life. Stress is fighters. First one is change in mode, change in mode, daily life, differently sleeping, directive problems, designs. మన లైఫ్లో చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎమోషనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, స్ట్రెస్ కెన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ యాక్టివ్లీ చేంజ్ యువర్ డైలీ లైఫ్. It started by of them. It's always at time expressions in strains. మన లైఫ్లో టైం ఎన్నో ఉంటాయి. మన ఎమోషనల్ వల్ల మన టైం కూడా ఇదైపోతుంది. Emotional stress. Smoking is early convenience. Food general can help. Your manage emotional connectivity. Physical life and physical, emotional, physical. Such an a high blood pressure changes in weight pace. And emotional, such as being energy, recovery, mode for recovery. Thanks for thanks.
Very good, Sasi. Next, M. Vijaya from First Food Technology.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am, and all my dear friends. And it's my pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, I am Vijay management our knowledge. Today, I would like to share things about stress. Firstly, I would like to say on stress. Stress, your mind and body response are actually behavior. There are events or things that are on common stress can be internal stressors like uh, thoughts, beliefs, attitudes. External stressors like loss, tragedy. Secondly, I would like to share some major causes of stress, like lack of social support, career concerns, work overload, work overload, lack of group cohesiveness, interpersonal and intergroup conflict, money problems, small issues in at home. Like there are so many issues that cause stress. There are some ways to reduce negative stress, like doing meditation, spending time with ourselves, uh, spend time with ourselves, laugh and smile always, meditate, focus on now. Your mind will be your mind will become clearer and you will see solutions. Do things that make you happy. Be grateful with whatever you have. Go away from negative people. Go away from negative people. Uh, Practice positive self-talk. Positive self-talk. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving such a great opportunity. Thank you, guys, to listening my words. Thank you, ma'am.
Next participant, M. Jyoti from Food Technology. M. Jyoti,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Hi, friends. Good evening, all. Good evening, ma'am. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity to express our words belong to stress, ma'am. What is at first we know about stress. What is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated or angry moment. Stress is your body reaction to challenge or demand. It's a అది ఒక బాడీ రియాక్షన్ మాత్రమే అని స్ట్రెస్ అనేది ఒక బాడీ రియాక్షన్ మాత్రమే ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఏదో ఎవరైనా మనకి కోపంగా మాట్లాడి వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా అనేసినప్పుడు మనం ఛాలెంజింగ్ గా తీసుకొని స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అయిపోయి ఏదో ఆలోచించేసి మన మూమెంట్ లో ఏదో అనేస్తుంటాము. స్ట్రెస్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎక్యూట్ స్ట్రెస్ అండ్ క్రోనిక్ స్ట్రెస్. ఎక్యూట్ స్ట్రెస్ అనేది మనం జస్ట్ ఏదో చిన్న చిన్న మాటలకి అమ్మ వాళ్ళు అనే మాటలకి అలా స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతాము, వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు అన్నారు వాళ్ళ అలా ఫీల్ అవుతాము. అది క్రోనిక్ స్ట్రెస్ అంటే ఏదైనా ఇంట్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వల్ల కానీ ఒకే స్ట్రెస్ మీద స్ట్రెస్ పడుతుంటే దాన్ని క్రోనిక్ స్ట్రెస్ అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. అసలు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అమెరికన్స్ మ్యామ్ సెర్చ్ చేశారంట మ్యామ్ 70% ఆఫ్ అమెరికన్స్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ మీద కానీ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ మీద కానీ స్ట్రెస్ వల్ల వాళ్ళు ఎన్నో మాటలని వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ స్పాయిల్ చేసుకున్నారని ఒక ఇంటిమేట్ వచ్చింది మ్యామ్. స్ట్రెస్ వల్ల అసలు ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రెస్ కి కాజెస్ ఏంటి అని తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దేనికి స్ట్రెస్ ఎందుకు ఇంత స్ట్రెస్ వస్తుంది మనం ఎందుకు స్ట్రెస్ ని కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాము, అది స్ట్రెస్ ని ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోవాలి అనే మెథడ్స్ మనం ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ స్ట్రెస్ కి ఎందుకు కాజ్ అవుతున్నాయి అండర్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెజర్. మన వర్క్ ఇంట్లో అయినా కానీ వర్క్ ప్రెజర్ అయినా, ఫ్యామిలీ ప్రెజర్ అయినా, ఒకవేళ ఆఫీస్ లో ఉండే వాళ్ళకి ఆఫీస్ ప్రెజర్, సంథింగ్ కాలేజ్ లో ఉండే వాళ్ళకి కాలేజ్ ప్రెజర్స్, ఇలా ఎక్కువ ప్రెజర్ ఉండడం వల్ల కూడా స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతాము. ఫేసింగ్ బిగ్ చేంజెస్, ఏదైనా చేంజ్ మనకి పెద్ద చేంజెస్ కానీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినా కూడా మనం స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతాము. వరింగ్ అబౌట్ సంథింగ్, ఒకే దాని గురించి పర్టికులర్ గా జరిగిపోయిన దాని పాస్ట్ గురించి ఆలోచించినా కూడా ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతామా. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ అప్లికేషన్స్, ఎవరన్నా వాళ్ళకి ఎవరితో ఎక్కువ ఉందని చెప్పేసి మనకున్న దాన్ని పట్టుకొని మనకు లేదే వాళ్ళలాగా ఎక్కువ దాని గురించి స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతాము. ఏదైనా ఇంజురీస్, ఎమోషనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ అన్సర్టనిటీ, దీని వల్ల కూడా స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతాము. అసలు ఈ స్ట్రెస్ నుంచి మనం ఎలా రిలీవ్ అవ్వాలి, అసలు ఎనీథింగ్ స్ట్రెస్ మనకి, దానికోసం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ, మెడిటేషన్, ఇవన్నీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తే తగ్గుతుంది. మెడిటేషన్, అసలు ఫస్ట్ నికోటిన్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్, ఇంట్లో ఎవరైనా పొగాకు అలాంటివి తిన్న వాటి వల్ల కూడా స్ట్రెస్ కి గురవుతారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. మన మైండ్ఫుల్ గా మెడిటేషన్ చేయాలి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ప్రోగ్రెసివ్ అండ్ మజిల్ రిలాక్సేషన్, రియలిస్టిక్ గోల్స్, మన ఎక్కువ రియలిస్టిక్ గోల్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. టేక్ టైమ్ అవుట్. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఎవరినైనా ఏదన్నా అంటే ఆ మాట ఫస్ట్ మనం వాళ్ళని ఏమంటున్నామో తిరిగి ఆలోచించండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. అనొద్దు, ఎవరు స్టార్టింగ్ ఒక మాట అనేది ఎవరిని ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు ఆలోచించండి, 1 to 10 లెక్క పెట్టండి. ఓకే, వాళ్ళన్నది మీరు తప్పు, మన నుంచి తప్పు అయినా మన తర్వాత ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి, కానీ ముందే మీరు మాట అనేసి తర్వాత బాధపడినా ఏం ఉపయోగం ఉండదు ఫ్రెండ్స్. అందుకే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఎప్పుడైనా కోపం వచ్చినా ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళ పైన కూడా 1 to 10 లెక్క పెట్టాలి. లేకపోతే గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ తీసుకోండి. అసలు ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్ లో మనకి కరోనా వైరస్ అనేది ఒక పెద్ద స్ట్రెస్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. అసలు కరోనా పాండమిక్ అనేది మన వరల్డ్ లో స్వీప్ చేసేసింది చాలా వరకు. మనమే కాదు, మనం అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఓకే ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాము, కూర్చున్నాము, పేరెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, అలా చూసుకున్నారు. మనకంటే మన కోసం మున్సిపాలిటీస్ వాళ్ళు, డాక్టర్స్, నర్సెస్ చాలా కష్టపడుతున్నారు. అది చాలా మంది ఫ్యామిలీస్ కూడా కోల్పోయారు. మళ్ళా చాలా మంది పిల్లలు కూడా అనాథలు అయిపోయినారు. దాని గురించి కూడా అలా స్ట్రెస్ గా ఎప్పుడు స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవ్వకూడదు. అసలు స్ట్రెస్ అంటే సమ్ వన్ ట్రైంగ్ టు రిపేర్ ఎవ్రీ సిచ్యువేషన్ ని సోలోగా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారు. అసలు హోమ్ లో మనకి కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్, హోమ్ లో ఏంటంటే హోమ్ లో డిఫరెంట్ బ్రెయిన్స్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ బిలీఫ్స్. అంటే ఒకరి ఇంట్లో నేను ఒకటి నమ్మితే మా చెల్లి ఒకటి నమ్ముతుంది, మా మమ్మీ ఒకటి మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్స్ వల్ల ఇంట్లో కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. మిస్కమ్యూనికేషన్ కి దారి తీయకుండా ప్రతిదీ మనం అర్థమయ్యేలాగా, ప్రతిదీ మనమే పెద్దలం, మనమే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రతిదీ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాలి ఫ్రెండ్స్. నేనేదో కోప్పడిపోయి నేను చాలా మందిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను. చాలా మంది పిల్లలు ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళ మీద చెప్పకుండా కోప్పడిపోయి మీకు చెప్పలేను, అర్థం కాదు అని తిట్టేస్తున్నారు. అలా కాకుండా దానివల్ల మిస్కమ్యూనికేషన్స్ వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళేదో తప్పుగా అనుకొని వాళ్ళేదో చేస్తున్నారని అలా స్ట్రెస్ గా వాళ్ళు ఫీల్ అయ్యి, మీరు వాళ్ళేదో అన్న స్ట్రెస్ గా ఫీల్ అయ్యి అందరూ ఇలా స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు. ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఫస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కాంట్ హ్యాండిల్ స్ట్రెస్, యూ కాంట్ హ్యాండిల్ సక్సెస్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ మ్యామ్.
Very informative, Jyoti. Very good. Next participant, M. Amritalakshmi from Food Technology.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I am Amrita Lakshmi from BSc Food Technology. What is stress? Stress is feeling of being overhead or unable to cope with mental or emotional pressure. Feeling of stress are normally triggered by things happening in your life, which involve being under lot of pressure, facing big changes, worrying about something. It may include irritability, difficulty or sleeping or relaxing, headache or muscle tension. A physical symptom of stress can include muscle tension and pain, low energy, headache, nervous changes of
First, you feel free from nervousness. Be free. Don't afraid.
tension,
Don't feel tension. Be free.
decreased sexual
Continue.
function, shortness
Continue, ma'am.
of breath or difficulty breathing. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Why are you stop? Why stop
Tension
with few lines?
టెన్షన్ వస్తుంది మ్యామ్, చెప్పలేకున్నాను.
ఓకే, అట్లా టెన్షన్ తెచ్చుకోకూడదని కదా మనం ఇది ఏర్పాటు చేసుకున్నాం. స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ మీద ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎందుకు పెట్టుకున్నట్టు? we need to overcome stress. Okay. Next participant, U. Sivaranjani from Food Technology.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is Sivaranjani from First BSc Food Technology. Ma'am, my cam is not working good, ma'am. So I'm
Okay, ma.
video is
Continue,
not
ma'am.
clarity.
Continue. Somewhat visible. You are somewhat visible. Continue.
As ma'am, today's topic is about stress. Ma'am, I had prepared a PPT presentation, ma'am, about stress.
Very good. Continue.
Can I share it, ma'am?
Yes, share.
ma'am. I'm unable to share it, ma'am.
What, Sivaranjani?
I'm unable to share that presentation, ma'am.
Okay, ma. After some time you can share.
Yes, ma'am. I will try, ma'am.
Okay. Next participant, Pavitra.
Hi, ma'am.
Start, ma. Pavitra.
Very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hi, guys, all of you. This is Pavitra, studying BSc Food Technology. Today I am going to speak about how to overcome stress. In my own words, guys, what is stress when we feel that? When problems will occur, in that time we feeling stress. Guys, in our life, problems and happiness common. In the situation of happiness, why we are not feeling stress? Why we are feeling stress in the time of problems, struggles? Is it, guys? There are many ways to overcome the stress. Here, main is don't think about everything which is not belongs to you, guys. Not a matter. Many obstacles are there in our daily life. Today, mostly everyone thinking about others. It is a one of strong reason today everyone with much stress. We want to leave those all things, friends, and remember one thing in our life: problem, joy, happiness, crying, laughing, feeling happy. These all are part of our life. But today we are accepting happiness and we can't in a situation of problems. It means in that time we are going under stress. And overthinking is also leads to a stress, and over addiction is also leads to a stress. Guys, for the overcome of stress, we want to to stress. Guys, personally, what I did when I feel uh, uh, then what I do means just I went I go with and I like little light. It that lighting gives me a complete happiness and my soul is totally satisfied by the little light. And when I'm I what is happening around is the secret of uh, or stress. It's my personal. And guys, don't people learn how to point out people and how to reach your dreams and goals. Know how to finish our life. Learn how to develop your life with virtues, values, and culture. And guys, please try to see how nature is beauty and how it is within. Thank you so much for giving this golden opportunity.
Anybody from MCS? Anybody from MCS? From BBC?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Sivaranjani. Sivaranjani. Start sharing, Sivaranjani. voice is not audible.
Next.
Your voice not audible, Sivaranjani.
After one person
సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్టుంది మ్యామ్.
Yes. Before she catch the signal, anybody? I would like to invite Goshpa to deliver her speech.
Ma'am, is my voice audible clearly, ma'am?
Yes.
Because I'm outside, ma'am. I even prepared PPT, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to share now?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay if my voice is audible clearly. I'll go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, audible. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen is visible to you, ma'am?
Yes, visible.
A very good afternoon, one and all. Myself, this is Doshpa. I am from First BSc BBC, Duvuru Ramanama Women's College. I am here to discuss about what is stress. According to psychology, stress is a term that defines the reaction of a person when excessive pressure or other types of demands are forced on them. Generally, it occurs when the person is in the state of fear that they can't cope up with that situation. Next, let us look at what are the feelings of stress. What the person feel when they are stressed. They may be worrying, they may be tense, they will be tired, they may be frightened, depressed, they will be anxious, there may be anger. These are some of the feelings that when a person will be in stress. Let us look at the challenges in the college of the beginning days where each and every student may be faced. First thing is posture change looks stressful. Means after let us take as only as an example. After intermediate we will be with some we will be with some negative things. But after entering into our new college, we start to change mold ourselves according to that environment. So this is the posture change. Looks stressful. Next one is greater academic demands. Means the higher we are going to learn a lot, the much. So here greater academic demands. We can't manage the time. And there will be decrease in adult availability. Being on your own, will be on ourselves means being on your own in new environment. And also we changes our relationship with our family members. We may not balance the academics and also the other extracurricular activities. These are the casual challenges that each and every student faces. Next thing, what are the causes of stress? They are generally categorized into two types. One is internal cause, the other one is external cause. Coming to the internal cause, there may be lifestyle choices, negative self-talking, personality traits. Coming to external cause, there may be physical environment, social interaction, and also major life events. These may be the causes. Coming to the next thing, types of stress. These are divided into two types. One is positive stress and other one is negative stress. In positive stress, stress can have a positive effect. It can make motivation and can create awareness. It makes a person to face the challenging situations. Coming to negative stress, it creates headache, digestive problems, skin complaints, insomnia, and ulcers.
These are the types of stress. Next, let us look the symptoms of stress. They are mainly divided into four types. One is physical symptoms, second one is mental symptoms, third one is behavioral symptoms, and fourth one is emotional symptoms. Let us look them. Coming to physical symptoms, first one is sleep pattern changes. There will be changes in the sleep pattern. Fatigue, digestion changes, a headache, aches and pains, infections, missing heartbeat, missing heartbeat, and breathlessness. These are the changes. These are the symptoms physically. Coming to the mental symptoms, lack of concentration on the work what they are doing. There will be loss. There will be memory loss. Difficulty in making decisions. They face some difficulties in making their own decisions. They will be in the state of confusion, and also they may face so many panic attacks. These are the mental symptoms. Coming to behavioral symptoms, there may be appetite changes, like taking too much of food or too little, and also they may face many eating disorders and increased intake. Some may be habituated in increasing taking of alcohol and drugs, other drugs. There may be restlessness, and also they may biting their nails. These are the behavioral symptoms. Next, emotional symptoms. Emotional symptoms is here we can see the depression. They may be in depression. They may be impatient. They can't wait for anything. Their eyes may be full of tears, tearfulness, and deterioration of personal hygiene and appearance. They will be diverted in their personal activities, and also they will be diverted in their appearance. These are the emotional symptoms. Next, let us look at stress management techniques. What are the stress management techniques? Change your thinking. They divided into, I think they are divided into three types. One is change in our thinking, changing in our behavior, change in our lifestyle. Coming to changing in our thinking, first we have to reason. If we get any work and it may something mistake have it done, we have to recollect the whole work. Where we have to think where we done the mistake, and we have to be able to rectify them. We have to think in a positive manner, and also we have to forget all the despise and failures that we have faced in the past, and we have to look for the opportunities, and we have to make a change utilizing those opportunities. Next, coming to the behavior, changing in our behavior, there are some things. We have to make a list that what should we do, what should we not do, and we have to do the work if we like it. Means it should be in a good manner, not in a negative manner. Next, we have to plan the whole day. What should we do in the morning, afternoon, evening, night? In such a way, we should plan our day, and we have to set some goals which we can achieve them. We have to not waste our time, and also we have to take the work seriously. That yourself lightly means here we have to present the smartness of our work, take the work seriously, and we have to divert from the distractions. That means whatever the problems we are going to face, we have to not be thinking of those, and we should not be worried of them. We have to divert from them. And we have to think logically, and smart work should be done, as we discussed in the above line. Next, we have to discuss our problems and feelings with someone who is close to us, so that we may feel some relaxed. And next thing is, we have to try to develop the support network through friends or colleagues to talk to. Like if we develop the network support, so that we can, if we are in a mode of sadness, we can call them or we can contact them, and we can feel ourselves relaxed by sharing with them. And next thing is maintaining a diary. This is the best thing, because whatever the problems we are facing when we feel stressed, if we wrote down those points in a diary, then we will feel some relaxed, and we have to not try to read that again. Next, coming to your lifestyle, we have to habituate healthy eating habits and caffeine. This is the compound which is present in coffee and also in some chocolates. So this caffeine makes us to relief with the problem stress. This works as a stimulant to release us from stress. Next, we have to sleep peacefully and we have to wake up very full and we have to think that this is my day and we have to do exercises. By doing this, the hormones, flight and fight hormones will be released. Because of this hormone, there will be increase in blood circulation and it lowers the blood pressure and also it clears all the worrying thoughts that we are having and also it increases social contact and concentration. Next, let me share an incident with you. Once one time in a college room or in a classroom, a professor asked the students that if a glass of water is held in your hand, what would happen? Then the students replied, nothing will happen, sir. The professor asked, if it is held for 5 minutes, what would happen? The students replied, nothing will happen. And the professor asked, if it's held for an hour, what would happen? The student said, it may hurt, sir. The sir said, interesting. Why? Imagine if it's placed for 8 hours in your hand, what would happen? So we can't bear that it will be hurt and we won't waste our time for a day. They replied in such a way. Then the professor said, this is what is, the professor smiled and said, this is what stress is like. It's not the amount of stress or worry that gives us pain, but it's the amount of time that we hold the stress that actually kills us. So remember that whatever you are stressed or worried, please put it in down. If we hold it for too long, it causes more pain and something even permanent damage. Have a stress-free life. I would like to conclude with my words like that whatever the situation you are in, take that situation as a challenge and make it in a proper way. That the result should make you happy. If it's going to make you sad, no problem. Accept it. Later, later only you get the solution. Life gives us many opportunities. It's our responsibility to utilize it in a good manner and build an empire that no one should destroy it. Be brave, be strong, nothing to worry. If anyone is pulling you down, you have to rise up like a phoenix bird. And I would thank each and every person, especially our English mom, for providing me such a beautiful, wonderful, and great opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very good presentation with very informative message, Goshba. Very good.
Mom, actually I'm outside, mom. I felt some tensed because everything is going on here.
No problem, Goshba. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice
Thank you, ma'am.
presentation. Next,
Thank you,
from
ma'am.
anybody from BBC? Next participant.
మ్యామ్
Sivaranjani.
మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాను మ్యామ్ కెన్ టెల్ మీ మ్యామ్
Start.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Share your presentation.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ 1 second మ్యామ్
Okay.
మ్యామ్ my screen is visible ma'am
Visual ma. Continue.
Today's good evening to everyone. Today's topic is stress and stress. What is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension that makes us feel frustrated, angry or nervous. And what causes stress?
loss of job and financial problems, workload, lack of sleep, physical injury, and facing a big challenges in life. These all causes stress in us. And how can we relieve ourselves from a negative stress? Are listening to a music, taking rest, diverting our mind to positive thoughts, reading books, doing meditation, spending time with our family, spending time with nature. By all these, I will relieve myself from a negative stress. And effects, stress leads to many effects on our body. These are enterosclerosis, chronic fatigue, hypertension, migraines, acne, heavy depression, sleep diversions, and eating disorders. And then next, whatever stresses you, a conflict at home, stress due to this pandemic situations. And due to this pandemic situations, many people are losing their jobs. By that, they are difficult to earn money. By that, their stress is caused. Due to some health problems nowadays, we feel stress. And due to deaths of a known person, feel stress nowadays. Due to this pandemic situation, many people are losing their lives. By that, people feel stress nowadays. If మనం స్ట్రెస్ నుంచి బయటకు రావాలంటే వాకింగ్ చేయడం కానీ వాటర్ గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ తీసుకోవడం కానీ లైక్ అంటే ఆ థాట్స్ నుంచి డైవర్ట్ కావడం కానీ ఇవన్నీ చిన్న పిల్లలతో టైం స్పెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం స్ట్రెస్ ఎక్కువగా ఫీల్ అవ్వం. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Very good, Sivaranjani. You did a hard work to prepare the good PPT, and also you struggled much more to present it without mobile signal. Very good, Sivaranjani. You are the inspiration to others. Very good, ma'am. Very good.
I'm sorry for the disturbance.
No problem. Nothing to regret. It is mobile problem, a signal problem. Huh? Okay. Very good, Sivaranjani.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next participant. Anybody who want to present, unmute yourself, your audio and video, and present your speech. Nandini.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Today's topic is what is stress.
Rock and roll girl. Welcome.
Feeling of stress are normally triggered by things of happening in your life, which involves like being under of lots of pressure, facing big challenges, and times of certainty, and not having enough work, activities, or changing in your life. And the amount of stress you're feeling in different situations may depend on many factors such as we are all different, so a situation that does not bother you at all might cause someone else lot of stress. For example, if you are feeling confident or as usual enjoying public speaking, you might find that giving a speech in front of people they feeling uncomfortable and fun, but you are feeling low or as usually prefer not to be the center of attention. This situation might causes you to express a sign of stress like Stress can be caused by a variety of different common life events, of which are difficult to avoid. For example, personal life like illness or injury, and become a parent, long-term health problems, and everyday tasks such as travel or household chores, and beginning of a career, and different relationships with the parents, siblings, friends, or children, whoever, and losing your jobs, and in times of examinations, difficult issues at work, and house problems such as you're living in poor conditions, lack of security or homelessness, and problems which neighbors are moving houses, in situation of money problem like a worry about money or benefits, poverty debate, like in situations we feel lot of stress. In times of stress you can just remember your funny moments, like in that time you feel so happy, you forgot your stress completely, I think so. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this golden
Very good,
opportunity. Thank
Nandini.
you.
Very good. Next, Dikshita. Devi Dikshita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is fine and doing good. Today, I am here to talk few words about stress and the ways to manage stress. When we come to the stress, to make you understand in a much better way, I'd like to give a small example. Once upon a time, people used to be stressed about their works, but at present, people are very much stressed about adequately managing their own stress. I think it is very pretty good example to understand how stress is managing, controlling our own lives. I think, yeah. Nowadays, stress has become part of our life, and stress have been seen at any kind of age group. We can see the stress. This is because of the way of life we are leading. In order to manage stress, mostly there are two important things to be noted and to be followed. When it comes to the first thing, we should stop comparing ourselves with others. When we stop comparing ourselves with others, we can do many great things without stress. Comparison difficulty brings up very much difficulties in one's life. When we stop comparing and when we start comparing with our own self, we can bring the best version of ourselves without stress. Yes, please stop comparing yourself with others. Please compare yourself with so that you can do much great things without stress. And the other thing, to keep your stress down, you just make yourself alone when you feel very much stress. Just try to talk with your own self when you feel stress. It will help you a lot to keep your stress down. Try to understand the situation. Try to cope up with the situation. Accept everything so that you can manage your stress in much better way. When it comes to me, the way that I manage my own stress is when I feel very much stressed, I make myself out of the people. I keep myself alone. I try to talk with my own self. I used to meditate. I used to draw or even paint. It helps me a lot to keep my stress down. This is all the experiences that I have with stress. I too struggle very much with stress, but I am trying very much to keep it down. Sorry, ma'am, I think I am not that good in presenting this, but I hope I will do much better in coming days, ma'am.
Try to remove that feeling. I am not good at it. Try to remove that feeling from you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You can do everything. All the
Thank you
best.
for supporting me.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, from MCS, Satvika. Dear students, don't wait to mention your name. You are not given your willingness. So I have not prepared your names. Anybody want to participate? You have to unmute yourself and participate. Don't wait for mentioning your name by me. Anybody from MCS, BBC, from any group, unmute yourself and participate. Manjula from BBC, Gayatri, IVN Bhargavi, Shravani, K. Prasanti, Lebur Kavya, Nellur Pujita, Pavitra, Silpa, Sunila, Supriya, Sridevi, Tota Ramya. Are you ready?
Madam, good evening, madam.
Good evening.
మేడం తెలుగులో చెప్పండి మేడం.
చెప్పమ్మా రమ్య. తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. ఎవరైనా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మై నేమ్ ఇస్ శ్రీ రమ్య. ఐఎమ్ స్టడీయింగ్ బీకామ్ జనరల్ JNM కాలేజ్ గూడూరు. నేను చెప్పబోయే టాపిక్ కరోనా వైరస్ కోవిడ్-19. ప్రస్తుతం కరోనా వైరస్ చాలా ప్రదేశాలకు వ్యాప్తి చెందుతుంది.
మనం స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ గురించి సెమినార్ చేసుకుంటున్నామమ్మా.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
సే అబౌట్ స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఎనీ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్.
సరే మ్యామ్.
Before Ramya, anybody ready to present? Ramya, are you ready?
Madam,
స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ గురించి చెప్తావమ్మా?
నేను చెప్తాను.
ఓకే మా అన్మ్యూట్. ఇంకెవరైనా రెడీగా ఉన్నారా? సాత్విక ఫ్రమ్ MCS, is she in the session? Kavyasri, what about you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Kavya,
Ma'am, I have not to prepare on stress management, so I can speak on my words, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Go ahead.
Good evening, all of you. Today we discuss on stress management. So many members speak on stress. What is stress? What causes stress? How we control? Like he said. అందరూ స్ట్రెస్ అనేది ఫీల్ అయి ఉంటారు, ఫేస్ చేసి ఉంటారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మన ఇంట్లోనే చూస్తామండి, మన నాన్న కానీ అమ్మని కానీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని చూస్తాము. స్ట్రెస్ ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. ఎక్కువ ఫాదర్ బర్డెన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటది. ఇంటిని ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, పిల్లల్ని ఎలా చదివించాలి, మనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కానీ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మన ఇంట్లోనే చాలా వరకు స్ట్రెస్ ఫేస్ చేస్తుంటాము. కానీ హౌ టు కంట్రోల్ అనేది చాలా మంది ఎక్కువ టెన్షన్ పెట్టుకొని హెల్త్ పాడు చేసుకుంటూ అలా ఉంటారు. కానీ స్ట్రెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు అనేది నా ఉద్దేశం. అంటే ఎందుకంటే ఫ్యామిలీతో స్పెండ్ చేస్తూ ఫన్నీగా మూమెంట్స్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటే చాలా వరకు స్ట్రెస్ అనేది కంట్రోల్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ మ్యూజిక్ వినడం వల్ల, మ్యూజిక్ థెరపీ చాలా మైండ్ స్ట్రెస్ ని చాలా వరకు ఫ్రీ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే, మనకు నచ్చిన పని అంటే మనం ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతాం, ఫన్ గా కానీ లేకపోతే గుడ్ గా కానీ ఫీల్ అయ్యే మన ఓన్ క్రియేటివిటీ కానీ, అలా డ్రాయింగ్ కానీ, సింగింగ్ కానీ, లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఏమైనా అదర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ మనకు నచ్చిన విధంగా మనం చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటే చాలా వరకు మనం స్ట్రెస్ ని తగ్గించుకోవచ్చు. స్ట్రెస్ అనేది వన్ థింగ్ మనకి కొంచెం హెల్ప్ అవుతుందని అనుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే స్ట్రెస్ లో ఎక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు చాలా వరకు బ్రీత్ తీసుకోండి, ఎక్కువ హెవీగా బ్రీత్ తీసుకోమంటారు. ఎందుకంటే బ్రీత్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆక్సిజన్ లెవెల్ అనేది బాడీలోకి వెళ్ళి మన బెడ్ వెజల్స్ ని కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా మూవ్ అయ్యేలాగా చేస్తుందండి. ఎందుకంటే అప్పుడు మనకు మైండ్ రిలాక్స్ అయ్యేదానికి, మైండ్ నర్వ్స్ కి బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అయ్యేదానికి బ్రీత్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకోమంటారు. అందుకనే బ్రీత్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకోమని. బ్రీత్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటే మన బాడీకి కూడా రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు స్ట్రెస్ ని ఓవర్కమ్ చేస్తే మన లైఫ్ లో సక్సెస్ అనేది చాలా వరకు చూడొచ్చండి. స్ట్రెస్ వల్ల సగం మంది మిడిల్ లోనే ఆగిపోతారు. ఎందుకంటే నేను చేయలేను. స్ట్రెస్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే ఎక్కువ బర్డెన్ అయినప్పుడు, మనకు అనిపించినప్పుడు, ఒత్తిడి ఎక్కువ అయినప్పుడు, అంటే నేను ఆ పని చేయలేనేమో, లేకపోతే నేను ఆ పని సరైన సమయంలో చేయలేనేమో అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. అలా కాకుండా ఐ కెన్ డూ ఇట్, ఐ కెన్ ఇట్, నేను చేయగలను, నా శక్తి ఉన్నంత వరకు నేను చేయగలను ఆ పని అని పాజిటివ్ థింకింగ్ లో ఆలోచిస్తే స్ట్రెస్ అనేది ఉండదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
Very good, Kavya. I am very happy. I am very happy with the involvement all of you. You made this seminar a great success. I am very happy. God bless you all. With this, I will end this program. Bye bye.
Bye ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Bye.